How to send a snap on Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can send a snap on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to send a snap on Snapchat, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and launch the Snapchat application here, and you'll see this type of interface. Now you can choose a snap by just switching to the back camera or maybe the front camera. You can choose between different lenses and filters that you would be able to find over here. So you can simply go ahead and choose any of this. Simply take a picture or maybe go ahead and record a whole snap depending on what you want. Then just hit the send to option. Now you can simply send them to your friends and anyone that you have on Snapchat. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically send a snap on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.